If it's one thing ISEE Hair is gonna do, it's come with the new. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by ISEE Hair. They sent me the shoes to try for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay. Your girl got her Wawa today because listen, ISEE Hair said you're gonna need all your marbles to understand what we did with this wig, y'all. I can make not one, not two, not three, but 4 different wigs off of this wig. ISEE Hair did that. So before I show you guys how I zip and flip this wig right here, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, let me go ahead and show y'all the packaging really quick. This is what they sent me. It's a lot going on. This is the ISEE Hair Block Wig. Build a wig with block R and B. B is for base, the base of the wig, and then R is for replace. You can have different replacements for one base. In today's video, I will be showing you guys 2 main replacements, but I also have a third one. So I have a skin melt 9x6, I believe, and then I have a 13x6, but then I also have a bang version. Now they are updating the bang version to include a part, so I will not get too heavy into that, but I still will show you what that looks like, okay? If you wear frontals, then you already know this information, but if you don't, when you have a frontal on a unit, whether it's a 13x6, 13x4, a 9x6, 6x4, 7x5, 5x5, 4x4, all them closure frontal units, most times the life of your frontal will deteriorate faster than the hair on the back of the unit, meaning the hairs that's ventilated into that cap, into that lace, will start to break off. It will get brittle. You will start to get bald spots in your lace, and most times when that happens, you will need to buy a new wig. But with the ISEE Hair block system, you can just buy a new frontal. You don't need to get a whole new wig. You can just buy the replacement and put it on the wig yourself. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what I have in my packaging really quick. I'm excited. I want to zip and flip real quick. In this one, we have the replacement. This is the half wig Kinky curly 20-inch. We have all the goodies. So the band, the elastic band, and the wig cap. I have the block B and R, so the base and the replacement. This is the Kinky curly 20-inch. I am showing you guys the block wig and then also the replacement of the bang. This bang that I have on here will not be the ones that you guys get. You more than likely will have a part in your bang. So this is the Kinky curly texture. This is how the cap construction looks on the inside. Again, this is the original bang unit. It comes with the elastic band on the unit. You have the adjustable straps in the back and the comb. Unlike the traditional adjustable straps that you get in the back of your wigs, this actually moves like the piano keys elastic band. You can adjust your band that way. Let me show you guys. The adjustable strap comes out and you can tighten it based on where you want it to sit. And you have the C-shaped ear tabs on the side. Y'all, ISEE Hair really be doing, they really be on their innovation. Before I unzip this, let me show you guys the different replacements that I have, or the block R that I have. So I have the 9x6 skin lace. This is what that 9x6 skin lace looks like. You get that fake scalp in there as well. I'm normally not a fan of the fake scalp method just because I want to make sure it blends down to me, but we'll see how this looks. You know, it might not look bad. You do get the combs on the side as well as the Velcro hidden strap to hide the zipper once you put it on. And as usual, if you don't want the comb, they are removable, so you just take them out. It is ashy, but I can blend it down with my products. And then we have the 13x6 HD lace. It's like Christmas. Ooh. This is block R for the 13x6 HD lace. That looks good, y'all. Y'all see how good that looks? She gonna blend down real nice. The hairline is looking natural. The hair actually smells like they put something on it. It doesn't smell like bad chemical. It smells like good chemical. But you still wash your wig though, okay? Do as I say, not as I do, because I know I'm not gonna wash this today. It's too much going on. They also sent me the half wig version of this. I'm not really sure what this is, so let's just open it and see. Oh, it actually makes block B into a half wig. So you zip it on over here and then you use the clips to put it on as a half wig. Okay, I like it. All right, but let me show you guys really quick how to change out the wig. So first I'm gonna be using the 9x6 to ensure I don't get any hair caught in here. Separate the 2 sections. All right, I'm gonna clip this. There is a hook on here that you need to undo, and then I'm just gonna unzip it. and you have the clip on the other side, so just unhook that, and now you have 2 pieces. We're gonna attach the 9x6 block R to block B. So you have the little hook right here, y'all can see it, and then you have the hook over here. You're gonna hook that together first. It's not as easy as just like, oh, just hook it. So it'll take you a little bit to do that. All right, place the zipper like so, and then you just zip it up to the end, hook the other side like that. That was a little bit easier. And then just place the straps over. So place the strap over, protect the hooks, make sure it's soft around your sides. And now you have a 9x6 wig. Where is the zipper, child? Y'all. ISEEHAIR did that. Based on this, I got 4 wigs. 1 base, 4 replacements, 4 different wigs. So we're gonna go ahead and put this one on. I'm not going into great detail about me styling the hair because y'all have seen me style curly units before. I did tint my lace using my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Milk Chocolate just around the edge because it already has that fake scalp in the middle of the unit, which doesn't need tinting. If you wanna take out or cut out the fake scalp of your unit, you can definitely do that. I'm just using my Nairobi Mousse to clump my curls. Hold up, focus. Nairobi Mousse. I sprayed it down with some water, and then I'm using my Nairobi Mousse to clump my curls. Mousse all over the hair. Now the good thing about this is once I do it for block B of this wig, I won't have to do it again. Block B will already be ready. I'll just have to clump block R. Comb this all out. Let me just put a little mousse around here. Swish up those edges. I should have did this in the beginning. I forgot, I was too excited. Wrap this wig down, wrap it down, wrap it down. I don't think they sent me any claw clips. Okay, that's cute, that's cute. All right, I'm gonna take my pick, just fluff up the hair a little bit, just kind of give it some volume. There are no layers in the wig, so if you wanna go in and cut some, you can definitely do that. Let's take off the band. Ooh, it was snug on my ears. Brush out what needs brushing. Move it back down a bit. Make sure my hairline is where I want it to sit. Take off the clips. Use a little bit of my contour. Tap a little bit around the hairline like so. Use a little bit of my milk chocolate powder in the parting space because it's a little ashy because of that fake scalp. So I'm just color correcting that with the darker powder. Go ahead and fluff out the rest of the hair. Hold up, these are a little too long. Let me just cut those. 9x6 skin melt. Okay. Okay, so this is the 9x6 skin melt block R and block B. And it's sitting flat on my head. I don't feel any bumps from the zipper. It's not uncomfortable. It's not pulling. If it's one thing ISEEHAIR is gonna do, it's come with the new. The economy is kind of, you know, up and down. We don't got a lot of money to be spending on a bunch of wigs all the time. If you can get a frontal replacement for your wig that you can do yourself at home, especially for the beginner girls, go ahead and do it. When they said skin melt, they meant it. See the lace over there? Again, because it's lace. But she still melted. Let me get the 13x4 real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and prep her real quick. Nairobi Mousse all over. Did I say 13x4? I meant 13x6, I'm sorry. I'm getting some shedding, which I do expect because of the curl. It's still kinky curly. What I'm doing is just for the video. Make sure you wash your wig though, okay? We'll cut my ends off of here because the ends are a little scraggly. Finish up with the mousse, clump my ends. Sometimes you gotta cut the ends to make sure the curls are gonna bounce the way you need them to. I don't have a band on the 13x6, so let me take off this band so I can reuse her. Remove the strap, undo the clips. You honestly can just pull it like this, unhook this one. So block R, block B. All right, so hook it, place it in the zipper, and then zip it down. It's better to zip from the inside than it is the outside. Hook this side as well. Don't not hook it, because then it may unzip if you're wearing it. Keep that string in there if you want, and close it over. And now I have a 13x6 wig. Y'all see this? Look at this. Perfection. Let me tint my lace for this one. Let me put on my elastic band. Actually, there is no hook for the elastic band in this version. I don't know if that will stay like that, but right now there are no hooks for that. With that being said, if the wig is too big, go in and tighten down the adjustable straps in the back. I may need to spray mine down depending on how she fits on me. There is a flap over here that goes with the frontal, I feel like there should be a clip on this to hook it right here so that you don't have to cut that off, because it's fabric on there, and I feel like if I cut that off, it's going to unravel something. So I don't want to do that. I'm going to leave that as it is and just tuck it behind my ear. Let's go ahead and spray this down across the front. Put my glasses over top of the wig. I'm just gonna wrap it down while I style the rest of the wig. Tie it down like so. Y'all, do y'all see how easy this is? If they make these in different colors, could you imagine going to work with black hair and then by lunch you got burgundy? Okay, fool them people. Brush it out so it's not so crusty looking. A little contour around the sides. My forehead is on display today, child. Just bring my sides down. Blend, blend, blend. And there is the 13x6 version of the wig. So the 9x6, perfect. The zipper quality, perfect. The clamp quality, I mean, it's a little tight to get in there, but I want it tight. Don't make it loose, because if it's loose, it's not gonna sit flat. I have no complaints about the wig. I mean, like I said, the 13x6, that little flappy part on the edge, add a snap, add something. Do something with that, because I'm scared to cut that. If it's double stitch and I can see it, then okay, I can cut it. But I was just too scared to cut it, so I just tucked it behind my ear, and it's laying flat. It's not bothering my ear, it's not sticking out, it's flat. And the hair quality is the same that I expect from ISEEHAIR, nothing crazy. Hold on, let me see how much these are, because I didn't even check, to be honest. So I got the 20-inch, and then you have the different replacements for Block R. So you have the 9x6 skin lace, you have the 13x6 HD lace, and then you have the bangs. It also has the gift, so you can get a normal gift, or you can get the Block R for the clips to make the half wig. So if I choose Block B and then 9x6, the price is $216, but I have a coupon. If I decide to get the 9x6 and the 13x6 like I showed y'all, the price is $333. If I choose to get the bangs as well, the price is $389. So you basically telling me I can get 4 wigs for under $400. Hello. And before you tell me that's a lot of money, you're getting 4 wigs. Again, you don't have to buy all 4. You can just buy one. Say you only want the 9x6 version. So when you go to the selection, just choose the length for the block, and then you choose the length for the 9x6. So I got a 20 and a 20. And then for the 13x6 and the bangs, I just hit none. One thing ISEEHAIR is gonna do is innovate. They are an innovator of these wigs. Listen, ISEEHAIR did that, okay? Now, if you want layers in your wig, like I said, cut it, or because they offer different lengths. If you get a 20-inch base, maybe get an 18-inch Block R. And before y'all ask, you can do this style, this exact style right here with the 9x6. I just did it with 13x6 because, you know, I got the edges. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to ISEEHAIR for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time.